Hello student, today we are going to learn an amazing method from Vedic Math, the complement method, also known as Niklam Sutra. This method helps in simplifying calculation and makes subtraction and multiplication super fast. So let's get started. I will complete your first level in 12th session. Now today's topic is complements and subtraction. Now what is complement? Complement of a number is a number found by subtraction of a number from nearest base. Find the complement if the base is 9. Now let's do some examples. The first example is 4. The base is 9. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. It means the 5 is the complement of 4. Now let's do the next question. That is 8. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. It means the 1 is the complement of 8. Now find the complement if the base is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Now let's do some examples. The first example is 3. Now the nearest base of 3, that is 10. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. It means the 7 is the complement of 3. Now, the next example is 46. And the nearest base of 46, that is 100. So, 100 minus 46, that is 54. It means 54 is the complement of 46. Now, the next example is 782. 782, the base of 782, that is 1000. So 1000 minus 782 is equal to 218. 218 is the complement of 782. Now let's do some more examples. Now the base is 9. Now look at here, 5. The number is 5. According to the base 5, the complement of 5, that is 4. Because 9 minus 5, that is 4. Now the next number is 4. 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. It means the complement of 4, that is 5. Okay, base is 10. If the base is 10, the 3 complement is 7. 7. 10 minus 3, that is 7. 10 minus 6, that is 4. It means the 4 is the complement of 6. Now look at here these numbers. Number is 45. Find out the base and complements. Now 45, the base of 45, that is 100, because the 100 is nearest to the 45. Okay, now 100 minus 45, the complement is 55. Now the next question is 768. The base is 1000 and the complement is 232. Now it's your turn to solve the question. Pause the video and try solving them. Now I will solve all these questions and you can check your answer. Now 8 complement is 1, 7 complement is 2, 3 complement is 6. Now if the base is 10, 7 complement is 3, 8 complement is 2, 9 complement is 1. Now these questions, 230. The base is 1000 and the complement of this number, that is 770. Okay, now look at here this one. 7689, the base is 10,000. The complement of this number, 2311. Now look at here the last question. The base is 1 lakh. And the complement of this number, that is 78 4,655. Now let's do the next topic now. Now the next topic is subtraction. Instead of usual boring method, let's use the complement method for subtraction. Now the question is 100 minus 47. The rule is all from 9 and the last from 10. Last from 10 means the unit digit. The unit digit of this number, that is 7. So 10 minus 7, that is 3. So write down 3 here. And the all from 9, it means 9 minus 4, that is 5. Answer is 53. Now the next question is 1000 minus 786. Now last from 10 and all from 9. So 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 8, that is 1. 9 minus 2, that is 2. Answer is 214. Now the next question. Last from 10 and all from 9. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 9 minus 9, that is 0. 9 minus 5, that is 4. So the answer is 4024. Now it's your turn to solve the question. Pause the video and try to solving them on your own. Okay, let's start. I will solve all these questions and you can check your answers. Now the question is 1 lakh minus 54,437. So last from 10 and all from 9. 3. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 5, that is 4. It means the answer is 45,563. Now let's do the next one. Last from 10 and all from 9. 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 2, that is 7. Now the next one, and this is the last question. Last from 10 and all from 9. 10 minus 9, that is 1. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 8, that is 1. And 9 minus 2, that is 7. It means the answer is 71,451. Today we have learned how the complement method make the subtraction super easy. Now, the practice sheet and the quiz link are available in the description. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Goodbye and have a nice day.